Look, it's 2026. If you're still driving a car that feels like a time capsule from 2015, you're doing it wrong. We're talking about turning your daily driver into a literal spaceship on wheels. Today on Tech Wheel, we've scoured the market for the absolute must-haves that'll make your neighbors jealous and your commute actually bearable. Level gadgets that are redefining the road this year. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the Wolfbox Mirror Dash Cam G840S. If you're still squinting at a tiny 2-inch screen or, God forbid, just using a standard glass mirror, you're living in the dark ages. This thing is a 12-inch streaming media powerhouse that replaces your rear-view mirror entirely. It's got 4K clarity that makes reality look like it's been color-graded by a Hollywood pro. In 2026, road rage and he said, she said accidents are at an all-time high. This keeps the receipts in stunning detail. Plus, the low-light performance, it basically gives you night vision. It's not just a camera, it's peace of mind wrapped in a sleek touchscreen interface. Next, we're getting under the hood without actually getting your hands greasy. Meet the Ancel DS500BT. We've all been there. That dreaded check engine light pops up right when you're headed out for a weekend trip. Instead of handing over $100 just for a mechanic to look at it, this Bluetooth diagnostic tool turns your smartphone into a pro-level scanner. It covers everything from ABS to SRS and even lets you reset oil lights. It's the ultimate BS detector for the repair shop. In 2026, being car smart is just about having the right data, and the Ancel DS500BT is the gold standard for DIYers who value their time and their wallet. Rounding out our first trio is the gadget that solves the #1 interior pet peeve, cable gore. The Lysen Retractable Car Charger. Stop buying those flimsy 3-foot lightning cables that inevitably end up tangled around your gear shifter. This Lysen unit plugs into your 12-volt socket and features dual retractable cables, USB-C and Lightning, that pull out smoothly and snap back when you're done. It delivers a massive 69-watt of fast-charging juice, meaning your iPhone 17 or Galaxy S26 will hit 80% before you even finish your Starbucks run. It's clean, it's fast, and it makes your center console look like a minimalist dream. Alright, number 4 is for everyone who treats their tailgate like a stadium event. Say hello to the Hitch Boom speaker. This isn't some flimsy Bluetooth pill you throw in the cup holder. This is a rugged, weather-resistant beast that mounts directly onto your tow hitch. In 2026, outdoor vibes are everything, and this speaker transforms your SUV into a literal boombox on wheels. Whether you're camping in the Rockies or just hanging out at a backyard barbecue, it uses the frame of your car to help resonate that deep bass. It's loud, it's proud, and it's the ultimate way to make sure you're the life of the party before you even unpack the cooler. Next up, let's talk safety, but make it look like Top Gun. The Hudley wireless heads-up display is a game-changer for anyone tired of glancing down at their phone for navigation. This sleek unit projects your GPS, speed, and notifications directly onto a transparent glass blade in your line of sight. It feels like your windshield has been upgraded with augmented reality. Since it's wireless, there's no messy wiring cluttering up your dashboard. In an era where distracted driving is a massive no-go, Hudley keeps your eyes on the road and your navigation in your peripheral. It's futuristic, it's functional, and honestly, it just looks incredibly cool. Number 6 is the gadget you'll pray you'll never need, but you'll be the hero of the highway if you have it, the Utry 5008 Jump Starter. Forget those old-school jumper cables and waiting for a stranger to help you out. This power bank is a monster. 5,000 peak amps means it can jumpstart a semi-truck, let alone your SUV or sedan, dozens of times on a single charge. But in 2026, it's more than just a battery. It's a portable power station with USB ports for your tech and a built-in super bright LED flashlight. If you're doing any long-distance road tripping this year, leaving home without this is like leaving without your shoes. It's the ultimate get-out-of-jail-free card for your car battery. Let's be real. Most car interiors end up looking like a disaster zone within a week. That's where the universal car storage and net pouch comes in. This isn't just some mesh bag. It's a high-tension, multi-layered barrier that sits between your front seats. It serves two purposes. First, it's the perfect spot for your bag, snacks, or tablets so they don't fly into the footwell the first time you hit the brakes. Second, it acts as a pet barrier, keeping your overexcited golden retriever from trying to take over the driver's seat. In 2026, we're all about maximizing space, and this is the simplest $20 upgrade to keep your cabin looking showroom clean while keeping your gear within arm's reach. Now, if you're driving a larger rig or just want to feel like you're piloting a luxury yacht, you need the 360 rotatable steering wheel knob. Now, hold on, this isn't your grandpa's suicide knob. This is a sleek 2026 engineered spinner with a carbon fiber finish and high-grade bearings that make one-handed maneuvering a total breeze. Whether you're parallel parking in a tight city spot or navigating a mountain road, it gives you that extra leverage and smooth control that reduces wrist fatigue. It's low profile, looks high-end, and once you try it, going back to a naked steering wheel feels like a chore. Number 9 is for the folks who treat their car like their baby. The car door protector strips are the unsung heroes of the parking lot. We've all felt that soul-crushing thud when someone flings their door open in a cramped grocery store lot. These ultra-slim, weather-resistant guards wrap around the edge of your door, providing a shock-absorbing buffer that's almost invisible to the eye. In 2026, paint repair costs are through the roof, so spending a few bucks now to prevent a $500 door ding is just common sense. It's stealthy insurance for your car's aesthetic, ensuring your ride stays mint no matter how tight the parking gets. Number 10 is for the overpackers and the weekend warriors. If you've ever tried to fit a family of 4 and the week's worth of camping gear into a trunk, you know the struggle. The Ruth cargo carrier is your literal pressure valve. But we're not talking about those clunky, wind-howling boxes from a decade ago. The 2026 models are aerodynamic, whisper-quiet, and made from reinforced, weatherproof materials that can handle a freak snowstorm or a Mojave heat wave. It basically adds a second trunk to your car. Whether it's skis, luggage, or that extra cooler you definitely didn't need but brought anyway, this carrier ensures the interior of your car stays a no-clutter zone for maximum legroom. If you have kids or just very easily bored friends, the headrest monitor is the ultimate sanity saver. Forget leaning over a tiny iPad or dealing with "Are we there yet?" every 5 minutes. These 2026 units are sleek 4K touchscreen displays that mount seamlessly to the back of your seats. They come preloaded with streaming apps and even support cloud gaming. Imagine your passengers playing the latest AAA titles or watching a cinematic masterpiece with wireless headphones while you enjoy the silence of the drive. It's like turning your back seat into a private first-class cabin on an international flight. Let's take a quick pivot to hygiene because let's face it, dashboards are dust magnets. The professional interior car duster is a gadget that sounds simple until you use it. This isn't a rag from your kitchen. It's a heavy-duty, paraffin-treated microfiber wand designed to lift dust without scratching those sensitive piano black trims or digital displays. In 2026, with cars having more screens than some living rooms, keeping things fingerprint-free is a full-time job. One swipe with this, and your interior looks like it just rolled off the detailing lot. It's satisfying, it's fast, and it's a must-have for anyone who can't stand a dirty cockpit. If you already have a high-end tablet and don't want to commit to a built-in monitor, the adjustable headrest tablet mount is the ultimate compromise. This isn't one of those shaky plastic brackets that rattles every time you hit a pothole. This 2026 version features a reinforced aluminum alloy arm with a 360-degree ball joint. It locks your iPad or Android tablet into place with zero wobble. Whether you want it centered for 2 passengers or directly behind a seat, it's perfect for long hauls where you want to swap devices or just take the screen with you when you reach the hotel. It turns any back seat into a mobile workstation or a mini theater in literally 3 seconds. For those who want to go even bigger than a headrest screen, we have the overhead flip-down monitor. This is for the SUVs and the vans, the ultimate road trip rigs. This 15-inch powerhouse folds flat against the ceiling when not in use, keeping your view clear. But when it's movie time, it drops down like a cockpit display in a sci-fi flick. In 2026, these units come with built-in HDMI and screen mirroring, so you can beam your phone's content straight to the big screen. It's the closest thing to a drive-in movie experience you can get while actually being inside the car. Finally, for this round, let's talk about the one thing we all use, the phone mount. But the MPOW 148AB car phone holder isn't just another piece of plastic. It's built like a tank, with an extra strong suction cup that can handle 100-degree Fahrenheit heat waves without melting off your dash, and an extendable telescopic arm. It puts your phone exactly where you need it. Whether you're a rideshare driver or a cross-country explorer, you need a mount that doesn't vibrate like a tuning fork. The MPOW 148AB uses a one-touch lock mechanism that's been refined for 2026. Just press your phone in and the sidearms snap shut with satisfying precision. No fumbling, no dropping your phone under the seat, just solid, reliable tech. And there you have it. That'll take your car from standard to spaceship in 2026. Whether you're looking to boost your safety with that Wolfbox dash cam or just want to win at tailgating with the Hitch boom speaker, there's no excuse for driving a boring car this year. All the links to these gadgets are down in the description below, so go ahead and treat your ride to the upgrade it deserves. If you found something in this video that's going on your wish list, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you're new here, subscribe to Tech Wheel for more deep dives into the gear that's shaping the future. What's the one gadget you can't live without in 2026? Drop a comment below. I'm curious to see what you guys are rocking. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the roads, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!